welcome back to my mother's channel. Happy 4th of July.
Hi guys, happy 4th of July. Jill is treating me to sushi. So we're going to show you our appetizers.
This is a grilled eggplant. We wanted to do something different today. We usually do the fried pork dumpling. But this is a grilled eggplant with Thai chili sauce. And this is called chicken Ma-Kun. It's chicken. It's rolled with artificial crab meat, cheese, and scallions.
You want to
So we're
taste
anxious
it?
to try that.
Maybe we could get some more of the sauce too.
I don't remember.
Chili sauce?
I don't remember what kind of sauce they said it was.
Is it good? Sure looks good.
It's different. I would like it better if it was real crab meat, but that's okay.
Yeah. And how's the eggplant?
It's good. I've never had eggplant like that.
It's fried, right? Because we usually
said it's
slice.
grilled.
Oh, grilled. Okay. We usually slice ours in little circle slices.
Yeah.
So maybe we should start doing that.
When I get my eggplants from my garden, and I know y'all don't think so, but I got eggplants coming in. I'm gonna show you in another week.
And you're using your chopsticks, which I still cannot do. I have to always ask for a fork.
I just can't. I have a hard time doing them with rice.
Oh yeah.
This is eel sauce.
Oh yeah, that's
It's a
my
really
favorite.
thick.
Mhm.
It's really thick and kind of sweet and savory.
Yeah, I ordered that with my sushi. So what are you drinking?
That's
I see a
martini.
lychee. Why do I call it lychee?
Lychee. This is a lychee fruit. When we were
Okay.
in Costa Rica, I had fresh lychee fruit. They were
Oh,
selling them on the beach.
Oh,
It
wow.
was amazing. I never
Well,
thought
is it
I
in?
would ever eat a fresh one. And this is actually how it is fresh. It's a kind of
Oh, it has a
soft.
little. Looks like an olive almost.
It has a little soft.
When
quality.
you had it fresh, did it have like a peeling or a hull on it?
It has a peeling. I'll see if I can dig up a picture for you to attach to the
Okay,
video. It has like, it looks like a sea urchin.
Okay.
It's a shell, kind of like a shell.
So you said that's a martini?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Well,
a
Mom,
martini
this is-
has what, vodka in it or?
Vodka. This is vodka and lychee juice.
Okay.
Mom, this is our first break from the kids, and I don't know how long.
I know. It feels good.
I know. I had to get out of that house.
So I will be back in a minute to show y'all the sushi when it gets here. Oh, hi guys. Happy 4th of July. I hope all of y'all are enjoying some burnt hot dogs grilled on the grill. And with some old chili and homemade chili or Hormel chili without beans. Up here you can't get chili without beans. But anyway, I wanted to show you mine, and we just got some sauce. Extra sauce. What did she call it? Chili sauce?
It's kind of like It's kind of like the Thai chili sauce, but a little bit different. Is it better now with the extra sauce?
This roll has chicken and artificial crab meat, but it's delicious. And it's fried in panko crumbs. And then this is the eggplant. Did you dip yours in the chili sauce too?
No, because it's already sweet. Because did you taste it? It has chili sauce on it.
A little bit more ain't gonna hurt.
What are you drinking?
Ice water.
Oh,
I'm the designated driver. I'll be driving us home tonight, so I'm drinking ice water. So y'all leave me some comments and let me know what you did today. to celebrate the 4th of July, or Independence Day. I wish I had stopped long enough in Asbury Park to buy Lisa some fireworks, but I got carried away trying to find Snowflake and didn't get him any fireworks this year. Does he have any left over, Jill?
He still has sparklers. Remember Hassani took them to the park today? So when they get home tonight, we'll do the sparklers.
Okay.
If you're up, you can get to see them.
I need to dig out my baton and I'll stick them on the ends of my baton. And
He would love that.
Okay, so we'll be back when the sushi gets here. Bye, guys.
We just got our sushi. We got 2 different specialty rolls. There's well, these are special rolls. I don't know if you know anything about sushi, but you have just a regular sushi roll, which is similar, but it's a lot smaller. Or you have special rolls. Special rolls tend to have more ingredients.
Okay, so what is this? It's got avocado on the top, right?
Yeah, this one is a sunrise roll. It's spicy, crunchy tuna topped with avocado. So crunchy means they put a little bit of fried pieces of flour, I guess.
Panko bread.
Yeah, panko, fried panko.
Okay, go ahead and taste it and let us know.
And then it's wrapped with the, what is it, seaweed paper or something? And then the rice and then the avocado. Well, I'm not ready to taste it. And then this one is over here, with just this, is
That looks good.
the spicy girl roll, which is a spicy crunchy tuna with the panko crumbs, yellowtail, and spicy salmon.
And that's the one you ordered,
I'm
right?
trying to find out where the salmon is on top, tuna's in the center. I don't know where the yellowtail is, but I guess it's in there. And then black caviar, that's this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Drizzled with spicy mayo and wasabi.
Oh, okay.
So I like to put a little bit, so you have the thin slices of ginger here. So I like to just put a little bit of the ginger on it.
I don't remember. I know when you were pregnant that you couldn't eat sushi, right?
We're not supposed to eat anything raw.
What about while you were breastfeeding?
That's okay. And then this is just, it's wasabi, right? I just put a little bit of
That's
that.
horseradish, I think. Okay.
No, it's wasabi. And then I like to dip mine, just one dip, in the low sodium soy sauce. You know, I'm always looking at low sodium.
And that's the one I ordered, the avocado.
Sunrise.
Sunrise.
Sunrise roll. The wasabi gives it a little bit of a kick.
So do you dip it in the eel sauce at all? I do. I like the eel sauce the best. That's what I'm going to be dipping mine in, the eel sauce. And then you ordered a different drink this time. Tell us what that one is.
Well, you know, I like my drinks, especially when I don't have to care for children. This is a coconut mojito. It's actually my favorite thing to drink. It's the muddled mint leaves with sugar, lime, a little bit of coconut, and this one is made with vodka, not rum.
Okay, when you say coconut, do you mean coconut milk?
It depends on the place. They use either coconut milk or pina colada mixture.
Oh, I see.
Some use a splash of pina colada mixture with coconut water.
Okay.
It depends on the place.
All right, well, I'm going to shut it off so that we can enjoy our dinner. Be back, y'all. Hi, guys. Welcome back. So this is called beef nagamaki.
Yeah.
Okay. So it is scallions wrapped in little thin slices of beef. Sounds good. So I'm going to taste test this one. Let me show it to you a little bit better.
It's just scallions inside. And I think she said it's a teriyaki sauce.
There you go. The margarita.
Thank
It's
you.
done.
You're welcome. How's the beef neck and nuggets?
Good, good.
Thank you.
Boy, they got a ton of scallions in there, y'all. Look at there.
Well, one thing's for sure, my scallions are doing good in my garden. But if the grass is coming up, you can't tell them from the grass.
You gotta get in there and pull that grass out.
I did. No, I did it. It's done. I thought you saw it.
This would be easy to make at home, Jill. We'll have to try it one night. And I definitely want to make the eggplant the way that we just had it. So, are we going to order dessert? Will we be back?
I didn't see dessert on the
Oh,
menu,
okay.
but we can ask her.
So if we can find some dessert on the menu, we will be back with that. Ooh,
So-
Jill, what is that?
Well, we splurged tonight, so we got dessert. You know, I've never made fried ice cream. This is, I guess it's some kind of panko dough that they put over.
Well, don't remove the dough.
Well, I'm
you
sorry.
eat that
let's
with
look
it.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what it is.
Oh, okay. It's vanilla ice. No,
No, red bean.
red
ice
bean
cream.
ice cream. Okay. Look, they even have sprinkles on it, right?
Whipped cream.
Oh, and a maraschino
cherry,
cherry.
sprinkles, and this is one of those things you dip in coffee.
Oh, what is that thing? That's an Italian. What is it called? Pirulette or something? Okay, my Italian subscribers. What is that crunchy thing called?
So we're going to
Okay,
eat
go
a
ahead
little
and
bit of
taste of it.
fried ice cream. It's good. It tastes like fried and ice cream.
Can you give your mama a bite?
You know how fried tastes, right?
Yes, everything we eat is fried. I don't want the maraschino cherries. I don't like them. I only like fresh cherries.
Red bean ice cream. Red bean ice cream tastes a little bit like vanilla. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. And y'all come back.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Y'all just keep on coming back. Bye, guys.